friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make a very simple recipe. I hope you all will like it. And the recipe is, I have taken, you can see this is barbatti cut up into small pieces. You can see it. I am going to make this and some potatoes mixed up. The potatoes also are cut to this size. Today I am going to make bhori and potato fry. So I will show you the ingredients what I am going to use while making the barbatti and potato fry. So come on, let us start with the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Because I am not going to use water, so I have put some extra oil. The oil is turned hot. Now I am going to put, this is 3 dry chilies, red dry chilies. I will put this in. And I have cut up 1 onion. This also I will put in. I will let the onions fry a bit. The onion is almost turned brown. Now I am going to put in the barbattis. Put in the potatoes also along with the barbatti. After mixing it well, I will cover this. I will let this fry now. I will not put the salt now. Last of all, I will put the salt and saffron. So I will cover this up now and let it cook. Friends, you can see this way I will fry the barbatti and the potato. This way again I will cover it up. Friends, you can see how nicely the barbatti and potatoes are frying. Friends, the fry is almost ready, the barbatti and potato fry. Now I will add the salt. Put some salt. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Mix it well. If you like my channel, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, comment, share. Friends, my potato and barbatti fry is ready. You can see it. How nice it's looking, the fry. You can have it with chapatis, parathas. I did not use water. Thanks for watching my video.